Good morning. I was getting ready for going to the garden. Just checking. Yesterday I put all my plants. I didn't do too much. I wasn't feeling so good. Today I feel much better after I spent my day in bed yesterday. Oh, I keep blocking. And I still have a lot to do. Like plant the new plants that I have, sand the workbench, plant new grass that I need to take care. Plant the pink hydrangea, the creeping Jenny in the borders that I got the other day. Stain the workbench, root powder for the plum. I want to create a new tree from the plum. Move the tulips, plant bulbs, the ones that I have in the little greenhouse, and clean bench area, that area where I have everything. At the same time, let me show you. So I got these like maybe a year ago now. I want to make something like this. That will be great for like when I'm working in the garden. I can just wear my leggings under and not be worried about my butt showing up. So I want to make a fabric. Let's see what date. Doesn't have the date. Oh, 5/31/20. This would be for this. These for these. And I will find pockets. I hope I have enough. Like about what they say. So I need to wash this. But I got the thread in the same color. We'll put in the washer while I go to do the other stuff. To the laundry, to check my laundry. This is supposed to be done. It was like 8 minutes left and it got a stop. I don't know if you have that situation, but sometimes unbalanced and I stop working. So it's almost done. I took what I have there, that it was the blanket, and I have my fabric here to wash. I think I will have a lot to iron today, so that's great, because what I have here is my work shirts and they are not to iron. Something that I learned is like you wash your fabric in the same way that you will wash when it is a garment. So I'm putting this with my colors, but at the same time it's like I always take more care of my July. You know what, I will do just delicate, just because I know that when I do something for myself I take more care when it's handmade than these regular cotton. So let's do it right. And we will also know how it reacts, at least with cold water, you know. I don't know what, I hear a noise there. Hope it's not right there. Let's go to the garden. Here I have these tulips I will put in the final place. I have these two that I bought and the creeping Jenny. My garbage things, my basket with everything, also sunblock and all the tools. I hope I have everything. I don't want to be coming back and forth. when I came for more of my bulbs, then I need to plant my banana pepper, one of the hot peppers. I think we can begin the job. Okay, here's how we will do. I think I would put these ones kind of in the front here. This one is taking too much, I have to cut. Then I have to put this one. What the hell is this? Tape. This maybe is down. I can put. Oh man, I will have to put here in the back. Maybe there. We'll see how it goes. Then I have more of the tulips. I just wanna put in the borders. This. I don't even know what Dallas is. Daylily. I'll put just. I think we'll go there. There. It needs a lot of cleaning. Peppers. And these are tulip. So we have all those tulips for there. And I have to clean these. Let's put this one first. Yeah. I put the lilies here. I clean a little this. There's still a lot to clean, but I will not do it today. I'm so tired. And more tulips and lilies, tulips and fresias, and the other plants. So let's see how they go. I hope I get happy here. I only have two things to do: 2 peppers and water the plants.